Sahasra. Gopanika.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Gopanika. I am from class 2. I am a police and God people. Thank you all. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shivasta. I am from second class. I am a teacher. I teach the students.
Vani.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vani. I am a doctor.
Take your markers and go to class.
I treat.
I treat sick people. Thank you all. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sharanya. I am from class 2. I am a chemistry. I say medicine. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Kushika.
I am a lawyer.
I am a lawyer.
Protect.
I am protect a law and order. Good morning, all of you. My name is Saraka. I am studying in second class. I am an
Architect.
architect. I made a plan for buildings. Thank you to all. Good morning, all of you. My name is Chetan Prasad. I am a baker. I bake cake and biscuits. Good morning, all of you. My name is Danish. I am a greengrocer. I sell fruit and vegetables. Thank you.
You bol.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Janaki. I am studying in second class. I am mechanic. I am prepared vehicles. Thank you, all of you. I am good morning, all of you. My name is Jagadish. I am an engineer. I make road and buildings. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ganesh. I am from class 2. I am stationer. I sell stationery items. Thank you all.